Yo guys, today we're doing a chest
opening.
What, who's gonna go first?
I will.
So we got
Gems.
Oh my god, gems! Oh, 3. Okay then, my turn. It's Mr. Nichols' turn.
Coins.
Coins, wow.
Oh wow.
5. Okay then, your turn. Oh, tickets.
Crappy wickets.
Wiki ticky.
I think you just got a free spin.
Oh my god, how? It says on the bottom, yeah, like you said 2 days ago. Right, go. Oh yeah, I got the free spins. Right, so we get gems. 5. There's more chance of us getting gems, that's why.
Oh my
god. Tickets again.
Oh, you did open 2 though.
Yeah, but I got the free spin though.
Wow.
Oh, it's coins. 4, 3.
4. No, that was not a free spin.
That was.
Oh my god, that was so
got
close.
The hat. Got the top hat. Or Serious Man's hat, whatever. Oh, what?
No, wait.
Oh, what are you doing?
Oh my god. Oh my god, what is that?
10.
What is that?
I know it's a grenade. It's like gold grenade something.
What's that?
It's a thingy. It's a thingy.
I'm starting on that.
Well then. Oh god, oh my god, oh my god. Gems! 5.
Not bad.
I'll go again.
No, it was not.
If we got 50 gems.
Then boom.
Oh, free spin.
That could have been the gold. That could have been the golden friend.
If it's a free spin from now, you get to carry on. So it's the same with you. Oh, white coins.
I got a golden peacemaker. One of them. That's my turn.
Oh yeah. Go on then.
Not donkeys.
Oh my god, just said free. Did it just say free spins? No, it's a tip.
If you're 50,
boring
then
tickets. 50 tickets. I don't need tickets at all. I've got nearly 800 of them.
You know that's a voodoo snowman.
That's 5.
Wait, can I show you something?
What?
Oh wow, it's not even on there.
Well, because wow, man. Oh
my god.
Tickets.
Okay.
Well, that's it. Right, this is how it's done.
Better won't.
Ready? Right, so let's start. Ready?
Now. That wasn't a free spin.
Oh, why?
Oh, I got 50!
Oh, yeah. That's how much coins we've got, guys. And gems left. 29.
Now 26.
Oh, tickets.
No one needs
What is it with you getting tickets? I bet you now I'm going to get tickets. Wait, no.
Coins.
Oh, coins. Why do always coins and tickets? This is like a boring episode. Well, that was...
Yes! Oh my god, what is that?
Yes, what is that? Yes. I don't know what it is, but... It's gadget. No, it's on tools. I think. Yeah, it is.
Invisibility.
Oh yeah, that's the thing that everyone uses in Knife Party, invisibility.
Back
Yes.
on.
Oh yeah, it's my turn as well.
Yeah.
Oh my god, I thought that was something.
100!
100 coins, yeet. Yeet, guys, yeet. 14 left and... Oh, custom boring. Space Soldier. Absolute crap. What is it with coins?
And the freaking boring
Tickets. It's not really a spinner. See, it's not really a spinner. It's not really a lucky chest. It's like a crappy chest. There's a crappy chance.
I get to open the last one.
Free spin, I get to carry on.
That's unfair.
What if you got a free spin though?
No.
If you get free spins, you get to do it. Ooh. How boring.
Last one, guys.
Yeah. Oh my god. And then it's just tickets. And then it's just going to be tickets.
Yep. No.
Yeah, boring custom outfit again. Yellow fighter, how boring. Your prize, yellow fryer.
That's how the video ended.
Right, so what are you gonna do now, Blake?
Look at this. Look, watch.
Oh, we're level 21 now, guys.
Look. He finished it. He's done it.
Yeah,
That is so hard. That's what I'm on.
Yeah, I know, it's really hard.
That is what I'm on.
You have to,
I can't do it.
face the bug, guys. It's like
That's
really
what I'm on.
tricky.
I'm on question mark,
It's
question
really
mark,
hard.
question mark. But he done it.
I kept having to use grenades every time.
So do I.
Like get them in a whole bunch and then use grenade. Whoa, don't. Yeah,
Video's
that's
ended.
fine. That's fine.
Video's ended.
No video hasn't ended. Should we do a duel? Just to keep them occupied for a bit.
We will do co-op survival.
Yeet.
No, we will do. Yeah, we will. Yeah.
Wait, have I even done co-op survival today? No, I haven't. I haven't even done anything today. Right, so I'm gonna grab a Dorito, guys.
What do you want us to do?
Illuminati, not.
I'm gonna do random map.
What on co-op?
Oh yes.
Oh, not this.
What? You got it!
Yeah, I know.
No way.
Right, so guys, I'm gonna eat some Doritos whilst he's playing that.
How mental did you go?
What?
How mental did you go when you got it?
What, that? Sheep owned?
That.
What, the sheep owned?
No, that.
Oh yeah, I got that yesterday.
How surprised were you?
I got it out of the chest and was like, oh, finally! I can't believe I've got 50 gems though this morning. That's the second time I've got 50 gems. There he is, guys. Concentrate. Aim face.
Sniper mode.
So
Double
guys,
kill.
I'm keeping you up to date with this channel because I'm putting up more content more often, like I said last video. I'm starting to make my videos much longer because
It's boring, so I'll make them longer.
it's not boring making them longer. But it's much more fun because they get
Oh my god! Oh my god, someone just teleported right in my face and I almost got killed. How am I third?
yeah, third place. Oh my god, look at the top. The top player's on 15,000.
I never got to that before.
These Doritos are quite nice. So yeah, 92 subs.
Wow, we're out of ammo.
92
Wow.
subs, guys. Guess what? 8 more.
Oh my god, look at that. Prototype.
Yeah, he's just, you know.
I can't seem to find anyone. Whoa, prototype kill. Whoa, prototype kill.
Oh yeah, remember. Boof, Big Daddy.
Double kill.
Boof, Big Daddy. Boof, Big Barry. That's what it was. Boof, Big Barry.
Oh my god, this is not another. Oh my god, I'm second. Well, I'm actually second.
So yeah, hope you enjoyed today's video with a Dorito. What a rhyme.
That is not a rhyme.
What, video Dorito? I don't know. Leave a comment if you want, and yeah, see you guys next video. Peace out.
Yeah.
Yeah, see you guys. Right, see you guys next video. Peace out.